You know that feeling when you're saving up for something really big, but then life happens and those savings get eaten up by unexpected expenses? It's frustrating, but it doesn't have to be your story. In this video, breaking down 10 simple money habits that can change everything for you in 2025. And the best part, they won't take up much of your time or energy, but the payoff is huge. So stick around because I promise these tips will be worth more than gold. Number 1, pay yourself first. Before you do anything else with your money, set aside a portion for savings and investments. Even 10% of your income is a great starting point. Automate this so it happens automatically. So that way you'll never miss out on saving for your future self. 2, track your spending. You can't fix what you don't measure. Use budgeting apps or the old-fashioned way, spreadsheets, to track where your money goes. Knowing your numbers empowers you to make changes where needed. You might be surprised by what you discover. 3, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings, bill payments, and investments. This way you won't rely on willpower or discipline. The money will just move automatically, making saving and investing effortless. Live below your means. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle as your income grows. That S called lifestyle creep, and it can trap you in a cycle of spending all your raises and never building wealth. Keep your expenses in check and let your wealth grow steadily over time. 5, build an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected problems arise. This safety net can truly give you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of emergencies. 6, cut high-interest debt. Credit card debt can quickly derail your financial progress. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, because every dollar you lose to interest is a dollar you can't invest and grow. 7, invest consistently. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest regularly in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Compound interest can work its magic over time. Turning your investments into long-term wealth? 8, keep learning about money. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos about personal finance. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more you grow. And it's one of the best ways to level up your financial literacy. 9, protect your money. Safeguard your financial well-being with insurance. Maintain a good credit score and be cautious of scams. One major setback shouldn't wipe out your hard-earned progress. 10, focus on income growth. While cutting costs helps, it only gets you so far. Growing your income has no upper limit. Negotiate for raises, learn new skills, or start a side hustle to boost your earnings. More income means more wealth. Remember, small changes add up to big results. Start with one habit, master it, and then add another. Over time, you'll see your financial confidence grow. You've got this. Stay tuned for more money tips, and let's build that financial freedom together. Drop a comment below to let me know which habit you're excited to start with. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to Budget Boss for more. Thanks for watching.